Hi everyone, I'm Frankie from LGW Abrasives. I've been working here more than 8 years. So let me introduce our company to you and how to make a cutting wheel.
This is the front kit and LGW logo of our company. First of all, we put all the raw material in the box. The material include brown aluminum oxide and white aluminum oxide. We call it A and WA. Then put the raw material in the first mixing pot and add the liquid resin. Add the resin powder, filler, and other material at the second mixing pot. The first mixing pot material is ready, then pour them to the second mixing pot, mixing again. After 10 minutes mixing, the mixed material is okay. Pour them out, then sieve it. Then we put the mixed material in the temperature controlled room for 12 hours. The room includes dehumidifier and air conditioner. Sieving the material and take the mixed material to the worker. Everything is finished, then to the next step, modeling. Check the appearance of the product and packing it by machine. For next step, heating. Take it to the furnace for heating. After 24 hours heating, take it out. Then to the worker for unpack it. Check the appearance of product. Piece by piece, make everything product is quality. And check the quality of the product is okay or not. Then for finished packing, pack carton in warehouse, then take it to container.